Hi, I'm Steve with Indian Creek Sportsman, and today I am here to talk about the new WeldCraft 2024 Rebel 180. This boat here is a 20-foot boat. The bottom of it is a .190, the thickest aluminum in the industry for a bottom of the boat. It's got the 34-inch sides and 28 inches in the center. We have the trolling motor plate that's already been welded on, and the offshore bracket. This offshore bracket that the motor sat on extends out another 24 inches, so you really get a 22-foot boat for the cost of a 20-foot boat. What we have on here is a 140 horse Suzuki. You can get it with the propeller, and you has the option to buy a jet pump for it. So with this